let's write out our three equations. So r naught naught, r0, 0 is equal to, and for simplicity, we'll do derivatives with a prime. So we have two derivatives in g0, 0 or g naught naught. So let's do g naught naught prime prime over 2 g11 minus g naught naught prime squared over 4 g naught naught g11 minus g naught naught prime, right, derivative with respect to r, g11 derivative with respect to r, divided by 4 g11 squared, plus derivative of g naught naught with respect to r over r g11, and that's equal to 0. We have the r11 equal to two derivatives of g naught naught and r over 2 g naught naught minus first derivative, one derivative in r squared of g naught naught over 4 g naught naught squared minus g naught naught derivative in r, g11 derivative in r over 4 g naught naught g11, and minus derivative in r of g11 over r g11, that's equal to 0. And the last one, r22, is minus r derivative of g11 in r over 2 g11 squared plus r over 2 g naught naught g11 derivative in r of g naught naught plus 1 over g11 minus 1 equals 0. So those are our three equations. And notice that, so we want to simplify these. We want to combine them and find the solution to g naught naught and g11. Notice that these two are similar, so I can multiply this by something and turn it into this, and then subtract and get rid of two derivatives. So I can simplify my life if I take r naught naught and multiply it by, I want to get a g naught naught in the bottom, so I'm going to multiply it by g11 and then divide it by g naught naught. It'll be equal to that term, divided by g naught naught. And then I'm going to subtract this equation. So I'm going to subtract r11 to that. And let's see what we get. So that's what I want to do. So I'm going to multiply this by g11 over g naught naught. And so I get g naught naught, two derivatives over 2 g naught naught. I have to do it to all the terms, of course, so I have to multiply this by that. So I get g naught naught prime squared over 4 g naught naught squared. All right, get rid of that, but I multiply by another term like that. Then I have minus g naught naught derivative, or prime, g11 prime over 4 g11 g naught naught. And then I have plus g prime naught naught over r g naught naught. All right, so that's this, and of course that's equal to 0. And I'm going to subtract from that r11, which reads g double prime naught naught over 2 g naught naught. That's the term that I want to cancel. Minus g naught naught prime squared over 4 g naught naught squared. minus G naught naught prime G11 prime over 4 G naught naught G11 minus G11 prime, derivative with respect to R, over R G11, that's equal to 0. So I'm going to subtract 0 from 0. And of course I'll get 0. And so this cancels with this. This cancels with this. Right? These are actually the same as well. And so are these. So I only have these last two terms. So I have, so in trying to cancel out the first term, I actually managed to cancel out the others as well. So I get G naught naught derivative in R over R G naught naught plus G11 derivative in R over R G11, and that must be equal to 0. And so we have G naught naught prime over G naught naught is equal to minus G11 prime over G11. This is like saying G naught naught derivative times G11 plus G naught naught G11 derivative in R is equal to 0. And that can be obtained by just G naught naught G11 derivative overall, right? So that G naught naught G11 derivative in R, I can do a prime there, or I can just say derivative in R of this. That's equal to that, so that's equal to 0. And so we can conclude that G naught naught times G11 is equal to a constant. And from the fact that we already know that G naught naught at large R goes to C squared and G11 has to go to 1, right? For R going to large values, we can conclude that G naught naught G11 is C squared, right? That's what that constant must be. And our next step, so let's pause this video, but in the next video we'll use the R22 equation to complete our determination of G naught naught and G11.